Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to do a video of how to get more money. So watch this video. So first you have to get a car or any kind of vehicle, and then follow where I'm going. You go on the right road. Don't just crash into stuff. Don't crash into stuff. Just go down. Is it down this road? I think. You guys go down here. And you'll start to see like a burger. And then see like a garage and trolley thing. And just go. Yeah, and then you'll see that garage sign. Okay, now chop sell for 18. It'll say chop shop. And then just click on that. And you sell your vehicle and you I'm gonna get a bit. Then I'll show you how to steal a helicopter. How to not steal and just how to steal stuff. Before. Go down this road and just go down this road and then go up this road and then just go up this hill. Then get in there and store every vehicle you can. There's a jet I can see. I think ski. This is what you're doing with all vehicles. So may be hard to do. And get out your car. Doing that and then take off your car. Vehicle. Take it off. Dang it. I don't like ski jet players that much. The good thing is and just come to the chop shop again. Look, I'm at chop shop, sorry for you then. But I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to watch that. And then you just do to yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!